And finally, let's take the date field and replace the text service date with the text date. Okay, we've pretty much completed our initial work. Oh, one last thing left to do. Here, above the H1 tag, there is a button. This button will be needed to add a product. So let's change the text of this button to new product. Here I will change the URL action name of the new product button later. Let's see if the URL action name product is given on our home page or not. Yes, it is given here. Through this, we can access the product page. Reload the browser and see the change. Look here, a link called product is showing with each record. Click on any of the links. Here you see a purchase history of client ID number 13. Let's go back to the editor here. You can see that the URL action new service is given to the new product button. Clicking on the new product button will redirect you to the new service page. So now we will use this new product button to enter a new product purchase record. Now let's name the URL action new product so that we can enter a new product purchase record. Now we need to define a path called new product in the URL s.py file. So let's go to the URLs file. I'll copy this line for convenience and paste it at the very end. Now we need to give the URL action name that we gave for the new product button on the product page to this URL path. Here, enter the text new_product as the name, views, and path respectively. Now, let's create a function called new_product in the views.py file. Now let's go to the views file and create the new_product function. It's actually a good practice to write a comment before writing a function so that we can keep track of each function. So define the new_product function. And as usual, pass the request and client ID parameters inside the parentheses. Now first we need to check the user authentication, so let's apply an if condition to check the user authentication. Now we need to declare a variable called client, which will get the ID of the selected client. You already know how to retrieve the ID of a specific client. Now let's bring the products purchased by the client. Although it was not needed, I am still keeping it in case I need it later. Now since we will be entering product purchase records, we need to do this through a form, so we need the post method. Now we need to declare an object reference for our form, so let's create an object reference called form.